Today we are looking at the 2025 GMC SIERRA 1500 Elevation Crew Cab in titanium rush metallic. This truck is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we'll look at are these jet black leather seats. These seats contain heating in the front row. This jet black theme is followed throughout the entire vehicle, all the way to your steering wheel, which holds your controls for cruise control, heated steering wheel option, phone, media, and volume control, as well as paddle shifters. Behind the steering wheel to the left, you'll find your controls for windshield wipers and high beams. Behind the steering wheel is your digital gauge cluster, containing things such as vehicle information, fuel economy, and more. In the center of the dash is your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google Maps and Google Assistant. Below this is a couple of options, most notably, but not limited to, lane assist, auto start-stop, tailgate settings, and traction control. Below this are your climate control settings, as well as your controls for heated seats in the front row. To the left of this is your trailer brake and engine start button. And to the right are two USB charging ports, USB-A and USB-C respectively. The center console offers loads of room for storage of belongings, as well as two more USB charging ports, a wireless charging pad, and a 120-volt charging port. On the driver's left-hand side, you'll find your power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as your parking brake, drive mode selector, and headlight settings. As we take a look at the titanium rush exterior, you'll notice plenty of blacked out exterior trim options, such as assist steps, windowsills, and mirrors. Below, you'll find these gloss black aluminum wheels. As we head to the back, you'll notice more assist steps on the corners of the cargo bed, allowing for easy storage of cargo. All around the vehicle, you'll find elevation badging. With the touch of a button, you can lower our power tailgate, showcasing the cargo bed, which features spray-on bed liner, protecting you from dents and scratches. On the right-hand side, you'll find a 120-volt charging port, as well as LED lighting. As we jump into the back seat, your rear passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, cup holders on the back of the center console, two USB charging ports, and pull-down cup holders. The backs of the seats also feature additional storage, as well as storage under the seat. These back seats are split in a 60-40 bench fashion, which means they are split on the seat, and both sides come up, showcasing more cargo area. And that is the 2025 GMC SIERRA 1500 Elevation in titanium rush metallic, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, and we'll be happy to help.